Let us understand insertion sort in a simple way. Initially, the first element is considered sorted. I starts from index 1 and the current element becomes the key element. J points to the previous index, which is I minus 1. The key element is compared with elements on the left side. If the element at index J is greater than the key element, then that element shifts one position to the right. J keeps moving toward the left until the correct position for the key element is found. Finally, the key element is inserted into its correct position. Then I moves to the next element, and the same process repeats until the entire array becomes sorted. This is how insertion sort works. Here is the array. Initially, the first element is considered sorted. Now I points to index 1, and 11 becomes the key element. J points to index 0. Compare 12 with 11. 12 is greater than 11. So shift 12 one position to the right. Now insert 11 into the correct position. Now I moves to index 2, and 13 becomes the key element. J points to index 1. Compare 12 with 13. 12 is smaller than 13. So no shifting is needed. The array remains the same. Now I moves to index 3, and 5 becomes the key element. J points to index 2. Compare 13 with 5. 13 is greater than 5. So shift 13 one position to the right. Now J moves left. Compare 12 with 5. 12 is greater than 5. So shift 12 one position to the right. Again J moves left. Compare 11 with 5. 11 is greater than 5. So shift 11 one position to the right. Now insert 5 into the correct position. Now I moves to index 4, and 6 becomes the key element. J points to index 3. Compare 13 with 6. 13 is greater than 6. So shift 13 one position to the right. Now J moves left. Compare 12 with 6. 12 is greater than 6. So shift 12 one position to the right. Again J moves left. Compare 11 with 6. 11 is greater than 6. So shift 11 one position to the right. Now insert 6 into the correct position. The final sorted array becomes 5, 6, 11, 12, and 13. This is how insertion sort works. Thank you for watching.